Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever it is that you celebrate, or even if you celebrate nothing at all. I just wanted to pop on here real quick today and say thank you and express my appreciation for you. On this day where we come together with those we love and celebrate each other and joy and we joy with each other. Yeah, that'll work. We joy with each other today. And I want to joy with you. I want to just say thank you for being here with me on the internet and coming along to watch these things that I do. It's been a year for sure. It's been a roller coaster of a year, and all along the way, the one of the places that I could always count on was right here, for amazing support and camaraderie and togetherness. And I just wanted to express my appreciation to you today for that. That's all this is. And I think it's important to remember, though, that while we're all surrounded by those we love and those who love us, there are people out there, maybe somebody who is watching this right now, who is not surrounded by the people they love. Maybe they don't have any family. Maybe they don't have anyone maybe they don't think that anyone loves them. And to that person, if you're watching, I want to let you know that you are important. You are loved. There is somebody somewhere who loves you. You are important to this world. You make a difference. And I hope that even if you don't know that, I'll know that for you. How's that? Okay? So there are people out there for whom this is not the most wonderful time of the year. It's a difficult time for a lot of people. And for those people out there, I just want to say that I love you. And there are others who do as well. Okay? You are important and you matter. And thank you for being you. And thank all of you for coming along with me on this weird and wonderful journey that I'm doing here on YouTube. I'll let you know that I am doing a few live shows to wrap up this year. December 28th, 29th, 30, and 31. I will be live here on the channel. We're going to be making something over the course of that time. I haven't decided what it's going to be yet. But 5:45 Pacific time on each of those days, I will be live here on the internet. Come hang out, be friends, share joy, and, let's end the year with a bang. It's been a gong show in some ways of a year here in the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff shop and world. But 2025 is just around the corner, and I'm looking forward to it. Fresh new shop space and fresh enthusiasm and energy.
Yep, whoop, yep, whoop.
Somewhere about there.
Oh, wow.
Yay, stuff.
Look at all the stuff we found.
And we're going to have to level a foot over on this side of the bench. Really, for like how many years it hasn't moved? That's not too bad. That's not too bad for how many years it hasn't moved. It's not awesome. And fresh enthusiasm and energy. Yeah. Thank you once again, everybody. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. I love you. Love each other, be kind to each other. And hope to see you on the live shows that are wrapping up the year. 28, 29, 30, 31, 5:45 Pacific. Bye for now. Merry Christmas, if that's your thing. Merry Christmas, even if it's not your thing. Merry Christmas to you. Bye for now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I just wanted to pop on here real quick today. It is Christmas Day. I wanted to say Merry Christmas to those of you for whom that is a thing. Happy holidays if it's not. And I love you even if you don't do any of that. That's that's a weird way to say that. Hold on. Even if you don't do any of that. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It is Christmas Day. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and wish you all the best of the season, whatever it is that you celebrate, or if you celebrate nothing at all. I wanted to take a minute today on this 25th of December, this most special, I almost said this most special of days. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It is Christmas Day. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and say Happy Christmas, Merry Holidays, even if you don't do any of celebrations and things, whatever it is that you celebrate, and even if you don't, I wanted to come on today and just say thank you. I wanted to show my alarm. Oh, I do have an alarm set at 1:36. Hey everybody, welcome back. And I have an alarm set at 1:36. Time to get up. What did I have to do at 1:36 yesterday? Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It is December 25th. It is Christmas Day. It is a windy, blustery day here on the west coast of Canada, but I just wanted to pop in real quick onto the internet. Pop in to what? Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. It is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever it is that you celebrate, or even if you celebrate nothing at all.